Hi, welcome to Info Subhadeep. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can make engaging stories using StoryReel software and how you can rank your stories in the Google Discover page without any extra effort. Let's start.
Here we go. We are in home dashboard of StoryReel software, and if you stay till the end of this video, I will give you a 3-step content marketing strategy to make your stories viral and make a lot of conversion through your stories. Stay tuned. Here you will get the templates available, stories created and create stories option, and after that if you scroll, if you get the recent stories tab, and here we will create some information about the software. Just tap on the create stories. Here you have to put a name of your story. Let's say I am giving the demo story and tap on next. You will be redirected to the StoryReel editor. Here you can see the color, the templates, and just tap on the templates. You will get a lot of templates to add. If you want to add any of these templates, then you can add also, and you can search also. If you want to take a specific template, then you can search. Let's say I am searching nature. Just type nature and you will get the templates of nature. Just tap on the template and the template will be added. If you want to edit this template, then you can edit it also. Just tap on the text and from here you can write anything. That's how you can write it, and that's how you can edit the text, and you can edit the font style also. If you want to change the font style, then you can change it from here. You can change the font size from here and scroll down, and if you want to change the font color, then you can change it also like this. You can change the font background, and you can, if you want to add a border, then you can add a border also like this, and you can change the border color, and if you want to add a shadow, then you can add a shadow. After that you will get a text option. From here you can add text like this. Tap on the text and you can add a text here, nature story, like this. And if you want to delete any element, then just tap on the element and tap on delete. That's how you can edit any template. And if you want to add an image, just tap on the image and you can search image from here. Let's say I'm searching nature. You will get a lot of image from here. Just tap on the image and it will be imported. That's how you can add any image in this template. Okay, and if you want to add video, then you can add video also. If you want to add GIF, and you can add GIF. If you want to upload in your own, then you can add your own image or video also. After that you will get the audio. If you want to add a background music, then you can add it from here. And if you want to add upload voiceover, then you can add your voiceover also, and you will get a text to speech option from here. Just add your text here and you can convert it into voice and you can upload it. You will get a language option from here. If you want to change the language, then you can change it, and you will get a voice option also. You can choose the voice of male or female from here. If you have the sonority account, then you can add it from here, and if you want to add the recording, then you can record it from here also, and you can upload it. That's how you can add the music. And after that you will get the elements. If you want to add any element from here, you can add it from here. Just tap on the element and the element will be imported, and you can place it like this. If you want to change the size, then you can change the size also. That's how you can add the elements. After that you will get the add-ons. Just tap on the add-ons, and if you want to add polls, tag location, CTA, then you can add this in this template also. And after that you will get the settings. If you want to add a logo, then you can add logo, and if you want to add watermark, and you can add watermark from here. For adding logo, just tap on the toggle and you will get the upload your logo option. Just upload your logo and you can upload it from here. That's how you can change the total template from here, and you can apply the filters also. If you want to add filters, then you can apply the filters from here. And if you want to add the animation, just select the element where you want to add the animation. Just select the animation you want to add. That's how you can add the animation. Just make stories like this, and you can export it also. And if you want to make a web story, for that you can add the page from here. If you want to page after this slide, then you can add a page from here, and you can design the page according to your own. Okay, and if you want to add a slide before this page, then you can tap this icon and a page will be imported before this slide. That's how you can create a total web story in StoryReel software, and you can make your web story in minutes. Just make the stories from here and upload this in your website. You can rank your web stories in the Google Discover page also.
Okay, now is the time to give a marketing strategy to make your stories viral. You will find a link in the description box of this video. Just tap on the link and you will get the immediate access of content marketing strategy ebook from my site. Just follow these steps and you can make viral reels from StoryReel software, and you can make your first conversion or next conversion by using these steps. Just go ahead and do this and you will get a discounted link of StoryReel software also. Just sign up for the software. It will be massive software for making stories. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.